How to make a Gamepass in PLS Donate on mobile iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a Gamepass in PLS Donate on mobile iPhone. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. Make sure to log in to your account. Now, tap on the search bar and type PLS Donate. You will find various Donate games here, so explore them. Then, go to the More tab from the bottom bar. In the given options, select Create. You'll be directed to the Creator Hub. In the top left corner, tap the three bars to open the side menu. In the Home tab, scroll down and explore different experiences. Next, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Here, select the account in Creation to get started. After that, tap the three bars and scroll down. Then select the Passes option in the side panel. If you want to create a pass, tap the Create a Pass button. Passes let you create special items that can only be bought once per player. Finally, enter the required details, including the image, name, and description. Once you're done, tap Create Pass at the bottom. From the side panel, go to the Settings option. You can change content settings according to your requirements. In the Passes tab, go to the Analytics section. Get an overview of your account with a specific date range. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.